My name is Susan Carr. I am a youth services librarian at the Westerville Public Library, and I would like to tell you about Cartwheeling in Thunderstorms by Katherine Rundell. This is a book about a girl named Wilhelmina who is growing up on a farm in Zimbabwe. Her father is a farm manager, and he doesn't have a whole lot of time to spend making sure she goes to school and that she learns manners, so she gets to have the run of the place. She has a best friend named Simon. She races with him. She wrestles with him. She eats fruit off the trees. She has her own horse. She has a monkey. She's living a great life, and she loves every minute of it. And then her life changes. Her father dies. And the woman who comes to live on the farm decides that Wilhelmina probably should not be living wild. So she sends her to a boarding school in London, England. And Wilhelmina is now a fish out of water. She does not know how to act around these kids who have all these rules to follow. She doesn't wear the right clothing. She doesn't eat the same way that they do. And she finds her life becoming miserable. And all she can think about is trying to get home. This is called Cartwheeling in Thunderstorms by Katherine Rundell.